After the company officials became Nawab, I am going to explain company rules expand. The process of annexation of Indian state by the East India Company from 1757 to 1857 brought forth some key aspects, like the company rarely launched the direct military attack on us unknown territories. After the Battle of Buxar, the company appointed residents in Indian state. The company forced the state into a subsidiary alliance, and the king had to put an army of British. In the case of non-payment to the army, the Nawab of King had to give some part of his territory. The Nawab of Awadh and the Nizam of Hyderabad were forced to cede territories and accept the subsidiary alliances. Tipu Sultan, the Tiger of Mysore. Sultan was the son of Hyder Ali, ruler of Mysore. Tipu Sultan ruled Mysore from 1782 to 1799. Tipu Sultan took the help of France to modernize his army and sent foreign delegates to gather the foreign helps against British. 4 wars were fought between Britishers and Mysore and were known as the Anglo-Mysore War. 1767 to 1769, 1780 to 1784, 1790 to 1792, and the last is in 1799. In 1799, the Britishers won the Battle of Srirangpuram against Mysore. Tipu Sultan was killed, defeating by his capital Srirangpattan. And we can see the power of the British people was day by day were increasing. Anglo-Maratha Wars. Anglo-Maratha War. War with the Marathas. After the defeat of Maratha in the Battle of Panipat in 1761, they got divided into various small dynasties such as Scindia, Holkars, Bhosle, Gaikwad. Their wars were fought between Marathas and British in 1782, 1803 to 5, and 1817 to 19. The third war was the Descrives War. After this, Peshwa was deposed and sent to the northern India of the Persian. Now the company had control over the south of Vindhyas.